Hey, are you a vendor development or subcontracting manager? Are you finding it difficult to find manufacturers for all your outsource needs? Even if you do find them, doesn't it take a lot of time and resource to check out their capability? And then you have to chase up to make sure they understand your requirements and finally get a quotation. How much of your energy and resources spent identifying, evaluating and selecting the right vendors, and repeating the same thing time after time? You can relax. We have an online solution that can take care of all this hassle, and it's really simple. Log on to www.onlinemanufacturing.in, sign up for free. Click on Find Vendor and submit your requirement. It comes to us. We check your requirement and verify it. After verifying, we send it to a pre-screened list of vendors or manufacturers that we have already evaluated and verified, and whose manufacturing capability is matched to your product requirement. This verified and selected list of vendors receives your product requirement and sends you the best quotation directly online. Our customized dashboard allows you to receive and compare quotes from various vendors. Select the vendor and offer most attractive to you from the list. Place your order, get it manufactured according to your requirement, and pay your bills. It's so easy. See, we told you, we made your vendor or manufacturing sourcing process more relaxing. The major advantage of onlinemanufacturing.in is that we have already populated our platform with pre-screened and verified vendors who match your product requirement requests. And since you find vendors directly on the platform, it will save you a lot on resources, timing and energy in finding and evaluating the right vendors without visiting each and every vendor physically. And the benefit is that it will increase your production by decreasing the total manufacturing time duration of your product. So, log on to www.onlinemanufacturing.in and start manufacturing your requirements for free.